Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 4.4 P635 V8 OCTA. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Sargasso blue with a chopped carbon fibre exterior pack. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a satin dark black finish, really complementing against the Sargasso blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. This vehicle does in fact come with a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for whenever needed. And once we open the boot, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As well as this, you are also able to find your deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the semi-aniline perforated leather upholstery finished in ebony. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light into the cabin, giving it a nice airy feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is heated, you also have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. And as well as this, you also have your OCTA button, which puts the vehicle in dynamic driving mode. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. Taking a look at your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Along with your dynamic eye mode, you also have your 4x4 information, along with your wade sensing, your terrain response info, which includes many different terrain driving modes, making the vehicle suited for most terrain. You also have the additional OCTA driving mode, which exploits the full capability of the vehicle, making it ideal for all sorts of road conditions and those off-road adventures you may have. Along with your deployable tow bar, which allows you to deploy from the comfort within the cabin. Along with your body and soul seats, really providing an immersive audio experience where the front seats do vibrate and give tactile feedback depending on the type of music you are listening to. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for the hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this nicely, you can find your dual zone climate control, ensuring that you always travel at a comfortable temperature no matter what. The vehicle also features a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. And for those off-road days, it also has an off-road function. To help furthermore, you also have a clear sight interior rear view mirror to ensure you always have an unobstructed view behind. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 4.4 P635 V8 OCTA that is now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.